Now, members of the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union in Nairobi have suspended their strike, citing a direct court order that warned of severe legal repercussions for any medic who abandoned their post. The standoff highlights a growing crisis within the health sector. While the strike is deferred, the grievances remain inability to access services under the new Social Health Authority.
For 30 days, because we feel your pain, we feel your suffering, and we want to ease your suffering, so you can come back to the hospitals. Now, to Nairobi County, please understand this clearly, and we want to be very, very clear. This is not a suspension. Mark our words. This is not a suspension. This is a 30-day strike notice. We are giving you a chance.
Our main reasons of being on strike for 45 days, there were initially 8, but they have narrowed down. We are complaining about this comprehensive cover. We don't have a working comprehensive cover. They have forced us to take SHA. SHA is not working at all.
Now, eldest Member of Parliament Adan Keynan Walie has expressed